Right, what's happening, guys? Look at where I am today. I'm at the bloody volcano, that thing that I greet about. Okay? Now we're going to talk about how this thing forms, and we're going to talk about how the island of Iceland is formed, okay? Now, the first reason why Iceland's here is because it sits at the mid-oceanic ridge. It's a divergent plate boundary, which means that the two plates are pulling apart from each other while they're pushing at this plate boundary, okay? The plates are going out the way, right? So, Scotland was actually situated where Iceland was 65 million years ago, so we had volcanoes like this once upon a time. There's evidence for that in the rocks that you can see today. And it's pretty cool, okay, right? But anyway, back to Iceland. So, because you've got this rifting happening, you've got a partial melt of the mantle. So mantle's made of a rock called peridotite. It's actually a solid, and every now and then it partially melts. And when it partially melts, it rises up the way because that partial melt is lighter than the rest of the mantle. So it wants to go up. It's buoyant. It's light. It wants to move up, and it hits the moho, like the bottom of the crust, and it will start moving up through the crust. Now, sometimes it can crystallise at certain sections in the crust, so it can crystallise as magma chambers, where the crystals are a little bit bigger, like as sills, as dikes. Basically, it can crystallise as intrusive igneous rocks, but when it